Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to another video by your girl, her big bubbly beauty. This is going to be a bit of a different video, and sorry if the lighting is horrible. I'm just using the lights that are in my kitchen. I don't really want to set up a ring light in my kitchen right now. I feel like that might be weird. But anyways, I want to try baking some stuff. So because I had some good success with this fraisier, which is leaking a little bit. But so I wanted to try making some more things, and this time actually document it. So the thing that I want to make right now is this summer fruit tartlet, again with the French pastry. What can I say? We're just gonna try it though. I found that I really love baking, like just become quite the enjoyable pastime, and it's nice to just create things. At least that's how I feel. Anyways, let's get started with this. I need flour and confectioner's sugar, and then almonds, ground almonds, almond powder, and confectioner's sugar, which is just icing sugar. Anyways, a little bit extra in a package just for dusting. Flour. Now I do have more flour, just this is what I have right now. Boop. And 2. Stir in a bowl. Well, that's easy enough. Next step, because the step after that is to combine it into like a breadcrumby paste. I'm just going to use a fork. Now, I do not have a bread cutter. So I cheat and I use this little devil. It's a little bit full, but it's fine. I said to do it until it looked like breadcrumbs, which that does. What next? Add egg yolk and milk until the dough binds together. 1 egg yolk and 1 tablespoon of milk. Hopefully this works. It's lactose-free milk, but oh well. I'm gonna try to save the whites because I plan on using them for a different recipe. Yeah, 1 egg yolk. Whoop. And a tablespoon of milk. Add the yolk and the milk and work in until the dough binds together. I feel like soon I'm gonna have to use my hands. Bye-bye fork. Here we go for the gross. Let's get some cling wrap in plastic wrap and chill for 30 minutes. Little dough ball. So I learned that tartlet tins are very similar to muffin tins. So these are some silicone baking cups, and then you're supposed to cover it with foil once you get the dough ready, and then I'm going to put this in the muffin tin in order to go in the oven. Now I don't have any tartlet cups, that's mainly why I'm doing this, but we'll see how it goes. So the next step, once the dough is finished chilling, is to roll it. This is onto a lightly floured surface. Line 12 deep tart pans, then to prick the bottom with a fork. So I like to roll it out on top of the cutting board with a bit of cling wrap on top, just because I find it gives it a bit more of a smooth surface, and if it sticks it's not as dire, and it's much easier to get the dough off. We'll start there. I'm not quite sure how to roll it. Maybe I'll cut the dough into 12 and then roll it out and then put it in the pans. That might be the best way to do it, because that way it's a bit more even. We'll do that. It's so tempting to take it out early. I mean, while I'm waiting, I could start on the filling, which is a cup of cream cheese. I'm just gonna do this. Confectioner's sugar to taste, plus extra for sifting, and then summer berries. So I'm gonna do the cream cheese part. I'm just gonna use this whole thing. Creaming that. I'm just gonna start off with whatever's left in this bag, just to get rid of it. And we'll go to taste from there. Just mixing them together. This is similar to how I make buttercream, but with cream cheese instead of butter. Like, you're basically making cream cheese frosting. I get it, I get it, I get it. So it's really sweetness to taste. Nowhere near sweet enough. You can always put more in. You can't take it out. So it's starting to look like a cream. Just a wee bit more. It's starting to thicken, which is a good sign for the buttercream. So hoping it's a good sign for this as well. It still needs more, but we'll come back to it. So a better, more proper way to do this would probably be with a kitchen scale and just weighing them all. But where's the fun in that? I have no idea how forgiving this dough is, but we'll hope that it didn't mind me squidging it like that. 10, 11, 12. Yay. There's my 12 little dough bits. Time to roll them out. I'm gonna roll them into a little ball, like so, and then roll it out. Ah! Okay. I feel like I messed up in the recipe somewhere because this is way too sticky. You know what? Changing plans. We're just going to press it with our fingers. I feel like this dough needed to chill longer because this is not working well. Okay. Well, I will try that. I'm gonna do this off camera. Well, that officially sucked, but I have them all lined. Whether or not I did a good job, oh god. This literally worked and I did not like it at all. Now I'm supposed to wrap these with aluminum and then stick them in and then bake them for 10 minutes, then take them out, take the aluminum off, and then bake them for another 2 to 3 minutes. So let's get doing that. Well, that could have gone better. That does not look great, but it is what it is. I'm just gonna try and save it. Do what I can. I'm gonna leave them in these cups for now. I'm gonna put the icing inside the cups and then the fresh fruit. I chopped up a bunch of fresh fruit and put it in them. So there'll be strawberry pineapple and then peach blueberry. I'm gonna put the icing into the cups and then I'm gonna put them in the fridge so that they harden. And then hopefully that will make it so that I can take them out of the cups and not have all the icing go everywhere because it's not very thick. It's a little thick, but not very thick. I think if I refrigerate them because it's cream cheese, it'll harden and it'll hold if you take it out of the cup. So that's my goal. So this is what they look like before they go in the fridge. So all decorated with the fruit, which is delicious by the way. And then we'll let those set and harden and we'll see how they pop out in probably about an hour.